Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. My dear students, today I am going to have a class with the student of class 3. Our today's subject is English Literature. Today we will do Rearrange, and our today's lecture number is 13. ASW number is also 13. And here is my name and phone number. This is our annual term session. My dear students, after completing the lesson, we will do ASW number 13, rearrange 1 to 5. You will write only answer. Okay, let's see the rearranges now. Here in your exam, in your question paper, there will given some words. They will not arrange. You have to arrange the words according to meaning, according to grammar, and according to the structure of a sentence. Okay, so see now here what's given. Rearrange the following words into correct sentences. Number 1, first given, girls laughing are the. Now we have to arrange all these words according to a perfect meaning, and we have to follow the characteristics of writing sentences. That is, first you have to start with capital letter, and at the end you have to put the full stop or question mark where is it necessary. Now see here, we will arrange these words. Here given, girls laughing are the. So which one will be here first? We have to write the subjects, that is girls. So before girls, here we have to write the. Okay, so what will be there? The T will be capital as it is the first letter of the sentence. So the girls, then are, then laughing. The girls are laughing. Now see number 2, village, he, small, in, lives, a. Okay, so which one will be here the subject? He or village? As it is person, so first we will try to arrange the sentence with the person subject, that is he. So here I have taken first he, then after the subject you have to write the verb, and the first letter of the sentence must be in capital. He, H will be capital. Then we will choose the verb. So which one is verb here? Village, no, it's a noun, small, adjective, in, preposition. So lives is the verb here. So we will write he lives in a, then we have taken in, then a small village. He lives in a small village. Okay, now see number 3. National what Bangladesh is the flower of, and at the end here given the question marks. So we can understand that this won't be an assertive sentence, this will be an interrogative sentence. We have to make a question here. For making question, what will you choose first? We have to choose first any WH word or the verb. So as there is given one WH word, that is what, so we will choose that what. Then we have to take the verb is. What is? Then the, what is the national flower? What is the national flower of Bangladesh? What is the national flower of Bangladesh? This is the arranged sentence, and at the end of this sentence we must put the question mark as it is a question. Now come number 4, the is very weather cold. So here there don't give any question mark, so this is an assertive sentence. So first we have to write the T, which T will be capital. The, then we have to, which one can be the subject here? Very, no, cold, no, so weather. The weather is very cold. The weather is very cold. Okay, now come number 5. Through a was man a passing forest. So here we have to choose the subject first. Here is given to a, that means 2 articles. So we have to write a with 2 subjects. Yes, there is also 2 subjects. See, man, this is a noun, and forest, this is also a noun. So we have to choose 2 subjects, a man, a forest. So which can be the subject here? I have arranged like this. See here, a man, then the subject, then the verb was passing. A man was passing through a forest. A man was passing through a forest. This is the correct answer. Now see number 6. There, how weekdays many are in a. So what will be the question here? Here the question will be how, then many, how many, then which will be the subject? Yes, that is with days. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? This is the correct answer. Now see number 7. Catching fisherman, the fish is fish. So what will be the answer? The fisherman. The fisherman is catching the fish. Oh, sorry, I have done here one mistake, everyone. See, that teacher has also done mistake. So you have to be very careful, okay? Because there is given only one the. The answer will be the fisherman is catching fish. See, here is only one the. I have written here there. So we don't write the again. The answer will be the fisherman is catching fish. Now come number 8. On ice water floats. On ice water floats. So which one floats? Water floats or ice floats? Yes, ice floats. So the answer will be ice floats on water. Ice floats on water. Now number 9. Chattogram, take now for, how, from, is. Far, how, from, is. So here we have to know which distance actually want to know from you. Which one is so far from us? Is it Teknaf or Chattogram? Yes, it is Teknaf. So the question will be how far is Teknaf from Chattogram? How far is Teknaf from Chattogram? And at the end, don't forget to put the question mark. If you don't put the question mark, your sentence you won't get your marks, because without the question marks or without the full stop, the answer is not completed. Then come number 10. The spring in cuckoo sings. So here we can understand that cuckoo sings. So as there is given the article, so we have to write the first. That is the cuckoo sings in spring. The cuckoo sings in spring, full stop. Okay. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have understood very well the rearranges, and for better practice, you will pick up the question first. Then you will write by yourself at home, and like this way you will practice. And don't forget to submit the SWs. You must submit SW on Saturday. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.